Hello,
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I'm fine. What is your name?
I am Nisha and you?
I'm Srishti. What is your education?
I have completed BCom.
Okay. What is your hobby?
I like traveling.
What are you doing?
I am cooking.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking is my hobby.
How do you make sandwich?
First, after cut 2 breads and cut the border, I apply chili sauce and butter on breads. It put a slice of tomatoes, cucumber and boiled potato and sprinkle chaat masala. It cover it another bread. Sprinkle cheese and cut for pieces. Serve to tomato sauce.
How long do you take to make one sandwich?
It take 15 minutes to make one sandwich.
Why do you make sandwich?
I like and children like.
Can you teach me how to make a pani puri?
Sure, I will.
Okay. I will come to your home.
Yes, it on next Sunday.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Bye.